Hello everyone, welcome to another New York Live here with Eivindfx. I hope that we are gonna have some fun today. We're gonna go through some pairs and something. I just want to mention that we were having a discussion earlier today on Zoom. Everyone were able to everyone was allowed to join. It was free, it was just me having fun in the morning. So were me, Kasasa, and some other people, and I hope that you got some value out of it, also Jeanette. So I've just mentioned those people because I think it was a good time. Is that going to happen more often? Maybe. The only thing that I actually was wondering is actually those in A1 didn't join at all. So I was like, okay, maybe A1 people doesn't like my content, but those things are maybe the reason why you should join Discord and all those things. But I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. So today there is no James Bond, there is no Danger Zone. Danger Zone today it is merch time. Eivindfx shop.eivindfx.com. I have one sale for 2 years. Not that I care anyone, but if you want to have the same fantastic soft t-shirt that I have, lovely. Maybe I should redo the designs. Maybe the designs are wrong. I don't know. You tell me. But bada bing, boom. Hope this stream is going to be fantastic as always. Hey, boom. Let's go. So today we have what? NOK JPY going a bit higher, Aussie yen falling from yesterday, Euro yen rising from yesterday. We have DXY, I don't know, range bound. We have oil, ooh, that's interesting. Gold, that's interesting. Nat gas. Damn! And we have S&P 500. Boo. Hello, Denise. Very much welcome to you too. And by the way, Alex, you're one of the first. Congratulations, mate. You're one of the first. That doesn't happen often. But we can improve. We can improve every day. But it is what it is, I guess. So. How is this trade going for you, Abbas? I saw that you bought T. I saw that you bought GU yesterday. But oh, you have changed now. Okay. Is that how things is going now? Okay. I see you. I hear you. I don't feel you, but I see you and I feel you. Someone says that my email passport is going to expire tomorrow. That's interesting. I didn't know that one. Freed my mind. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever that is, right? Because I think Tuan is from Malaysia, give or take. So yeah. Bro, would you please tell us how to use order block? And nobody, you know as well as much as me that you need to go to those who trade order block. I'm also seeing you have asked Nick, and I don't use order block. I don't know what the heck is about. So you kind of have to go to those who does go through order blocks, and I don't. So I do apologize in advance for any of my lack of experience, lack of knowledge, lack of whatever. But yeah. 20 was a wild guess, but yeah, thank you. Congratulations. Aussie dollar. Where's dollar going? If we buy oil now, is it going to be the stupidest thing we've ever done on stream? Yeah, it's going to be the stupidest thing we've ever done on stream. Do I want to? I really badly want to. I want so badly. I wanted so badly to buy that oil, but I can't. Hello, one. So yeah, I should have bought it earlier, but it's never going to be the time. It's never going to be the time, anyways. So dollar at the moment hasn't come back down to support, which we have been expecting or wanting or seeing. Okay, that we are still, still to the upside. S&P 500 has not crashed per se, but it has fallen a bit, fallen. So that means that we are not family. That we need to, relax a bit, take a chill pill, and wait. And that was great. We're gonna go into, and then we're gonna go into 30%, give or take. Yeah. 30%. There we go. So there is resistance up there. I want to break. Hey, Arctic Dad. Hey. I was just on Twitch, by the way, bro, and I found that guy that was from Australia, and he was visiting a company sometime, not too far away from you, where you live. But okay, not too far is still hundreds of kilometers, but still up there, And just see if I can find it in my history. I can't find it in my history. Nope, I can't find it. Not that my history ever. Is this far away from you, bro? Yeah, that's not too far. You live there, he lives there. He goes there. Probably, a couple of hundred miles difference, I guess. 184 kilometers away, That's like a bro to you, right? Hey, Variant 72. Hey, my boss. What are you doing on Twitch? I'm looking. Well, I'm not going to use the words, but let's say that I'm thinking of the idea of content. I probably should do more Forex content, by the way. But right now, my mind is like, well, there's people on Kategori that gives that donates like $1 or $10 to smaller streamers, with 1 or 2 viewers, and then post on Kategori, and then that streamer get a lot of attention because all of a sudden, that gets a lot of views, and then, it's just, well, why am I interested in that? I don't know. It's wholesome content. People gets positive surprised. It's just $1, it's just $10, but it's still something. It's an act of kindness that is the point. So I like act of kindness. I'm kind of that person. 100 kilometers is basically in the same municipality. Yeah, you bought USD CAD at 129. Okay, huh? Price has not been there, bro. You bought one. Oh yeah, 127. Oh yeah. Okay. That's okay. Target should be 128.8 as far as I remember. What do you mean? What do you mean, Abbas, by being silent? Hey, I hope not the mic thing. Well, what do you mean by the mic thing? I don't know what the mic thing means, but yeah. So, today my goal today is to buy oil, but I need to pull back, kind of thing. I don't have that at the moment, so I'm trying. I'm trying. So yeah, it's a good one, James. Stick with it, I guess. Be break even and hope for, I don't know why I'm and then I don't know if I can I donate on stream? I can't donate on stream here either because hello Marco, because then it's like, well, you're donating for live, and maybe this thing's going to be taken down because I talk about it, but it's close to my heart. It comes to my heart, not from anything else. Crude oil. Zip it. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, don't use those words, Evan. Yeah. Howdy, Michael. Well, it's hot. It's hot, so I had to change bedrooms because it's hot. So, yesterday on Aussie, just to make sure that we all go through Aussie pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You know, coming back to support. It's going to be broken. But yesterday, I said somewhere in this area, so not totally where the area is right now, but you know, somewhere in this area, should it get some good selling opportunities. It didn't happen. And then price went lower. Okay. So not bearish. So if it goes back up, whatever it does today, you know, sell, but that's kind of, you know, what you are supposed to do. What I'm talking about today is not financial advice, only my personal opinion, only for educational content, and also for humor sometimes. So if you're thinking of selling Aussie, that's totally up to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not telling you what to do either. But what I'm telling you to do is make your analysis. I'm only saying what you should do. No, I'm only saying what technically can happen. I'm sure Aussie dollar from PMT. I don't know what PMT is, but it sounds okay. I mean, what happens today? Please do not stand up. Why, Raphael? Why? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Why can't I stand up? Oops, crap. You know, oops, that was wrong. No, winner, chicken dinner. Supposed to be winner there. Like, why, bro? You know, there's also something back here. Wait. Oh, we can't see it. No, we can't see it. Oops, crap. I know this is nothing compared to all other news recently, but have you heard? Yeah. No, I haven't. I only heard that they are planning to do it. And hey, Juan, I'm not going to show my tummy on stream, but that is not a dad bod. I'm not a dad, and I have muscles. I have muscles somewhere. Somewhere, cause we're scared. Yeah. Okay. Like, why are you guys scared? What's the problem about that? Euro hasn't come up to any kind of bearish entry. Somewhere. At some point in life there was. You know, there was abs. There was. So next time I need to be like, you know, next time not on stream, but next time I'm gonna stand, I need to be like, you know, see that muscle? Oops, that was wrong. See that muscle? There's nothing here. You know. So yeah. Oh, anyways, so Euro, nothing to do, nothing to see, nothing to play around with. Just gonna check oil again. 124. I said the reality is I should have bought yesterday, but I was scared. I was scared through my pants, you know. Yeah, it's all too late now. Is that America is going to regulate crypto? Yeah, also that, you know, that is gonna go that they're gonna regulate crypto. So be aware that there might be a bigger fall. Yeah. So here it is. It's gonna sign an executive order that is looking into that it's going to start restricting Americans using crypto, I think. More than anything else. Because Russia can just take up crypto as a Pip muscle? What do you mean? What do you mean? Come on, is this insulting me now? Are you guys insulting me now? With my, well, this is my left hand, this is the wrong hand. It moves. No! What has happened to my ab? My muscles. This is so embarrassing! Shit. Crap! Oh, now I feel embarrassed. Do the weekly pivots change in the middle of the week? No, they do not. Put a marker line at P when it checked again, the purple line hours later. Well, for the next period, yes, it's gonna move. But for this period you're currently in, it's not gonna move now. So my logo is it's an elk. Where's my logo at? So I can't draw it, bro. I can't draw it. So I just need to find it somewhere. So this is the elk part. This is the elk part. Though this is also the elk part. But a part of that, no, that is the helmet, Viking helmet, and then that's the elk part. So it's an elk and a Viking, pretty Norwegian. Or moose, as somebody call it, and a Viking. Man, we have energy. Gia. Still in Kenya. I can't spell Kenya fast enough, sorry. Come on, Evan. You got all those. Oh, this stream has just gone for the worst. Like, what else am I gonna do today? Like, if anyone makes any compilation, if anyone takes my streaming videos, I'm not going to make you, what do you call it, any copyright or anything. If you guys make a compilation, if some of you are good at editing, and you make a compilation of all these stupid things I do on stream, this should probably be one of them. What did Denise say? Yeah, it's an original logo. Maybe I should use the monthly income from YouTube to go and get a gym membership. That's what I need. Anyways, I'm serious now. Pound yen, looking to sell it, and currently hasn't really come up to any kind of resistance. So it's it's just down there. Check it. I'll check it. So pound yen right now is still downtrend, still bearish, still still down there. If you're trending it, that way, right? If you do pivot points in, same thing. Buy, oops, I was wrong. Buy, sell, 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 sell. I know, Shaik, you told me to do. Shaik said something. I remember. This is a good dude. He comes back again. Natural gas and oil. I will do that in a split second. Okay. Hold on. Aussie cat. What is happening here? That is definitely bullish. So the thing is, people, If you're telling me what you're allowed to do, you're not allowed to trade this one. Boom. Why not allowed to trade it? Because it will only make you lose money. Okay. I'm not telling. Well, that's not the point. The point is, it's weak, weak, strong, strong. So yes, we have a trend right now. Trend it. Try it. What's my trade it as much as you want, but don't be careful. But when the trend ends, it ends. You know, just don't. When you got a trend, fantastic, woohoo! But if you don't have a trend anymore, leave it alone. Okay. So this is kind of what it normally does, and this is what I've done now. Well, you're lucky. Well, not lucky, but you know, this is one of the rare cases. So be careful. Pound, Swissy yen, nothing new from yesterday. Natigasi is falling. Holy guacamole. What is going on? So, it's broken. Next support is probably down at 4.4. But, can you buy nat gas right now? No, you can't. If you bought, you should probably have supposed to, you know. Take a chill pill. Take a coffee. Cheers, mate. That coffee ended. Still waiting for your response on t-shirt. What did you ask about Mugiwara? Mugiwara. I will, Nini. What will I do? I will search for your name. Okay? You have replied 5 times. Okay? Come on, Evan. Get all those abs and muscles pushing up. Polish, isn't it? Okay, that is one. I like your logo. Would like one. So, if you want, well, it's probably too expensive, but you know, if you buy one, I haven't checked the prices of my base cost, but my profit is that much. Is it $1 above or something? I don't know. It's small. So, not where to make money. It's, you know, it is what it is. So, if you want to, there you go. Have fun. Just continue to see if you can upload. And it will take some time before it comes, but never let never. And this is kind of your... Well, why is it so expensive? Because the base cost is expensive. And I'm not doing it myself. I kind of got, I guess. But, you know, I have this one myself here. So, yeah. You know, so there's stuff to do. There's stuff to look at. But, Moors? Oh, yeah, be brave. Probably be brave is probably going to go away, but, you know, I don't like it that much. But winner, there's a winner on a t-shirt. Ah, delicious. Eivindfx. I should actually be my company t-shirt. Simple logo. Just, you know, straightforward. Nothing else. I said Nini, yeah. I do say Nini. And Nini means thing or that, like that thing. You don't remember what it is. But yeah. So it's, you know, that thing. So, Karanja, yes, I do say Nini. Karibu sana. Karanja. Niaje. Sawa. Twende sahi. Keep seasonality in consideration. Do you think USD yen is about to reverse? It forms a nice bearish candle on the higher time frames. Might start going down again, I think. I don't know about the seasonality in USD yen per se. I'll take that. Nat gas March options warm weather. Okay. That's one side of it. Another one is that Europe is going to want to ban Russian gas. Rob, Garanja, Nini. Anasema na wewe, you know, you tell me, you greet me back. Wewe, I didn't insult you, but I can insult you if you want to. If you want to decide insulting, I will insult you every moment in this live stream. I will. And now you brought my English into East African English. The thing is, when you come to Kenya, and you sit in Nairobi, your English becomes like this. You need to make sure of wearing sunglasses, right in a cool white font. Zawa. Mars language be like. So, I do not. So for those who doesn't know, you can go to this YouTube thing. You can Google my name and you add what happens if you search for Eivindfx wedding. Oh, you get my wedding trailer. You get my wedding trailer. So I got married to who? I'm not gonna play it. To this person. Does this person look like a Kenyan to you? He does to me. Sawa. Now that is off the deal. There's your link. And I will be present in Kenya. Sawa. So please vote for me for presidency for the next election. Zimbabwe. Hi, Sandeep. So to anyone else that doesn't understand this content, I do apologize. Let's go continue. Oh, oil is going higher. So if you bought it, I guess we're gonna go to 180 or something like that. I don't know, but we definitely filled the gap and actually went back up higher. Do you do crypto? No. The reason why I don't do crypto is because those who trade crypto lose money. Way faster than Forex, stocks, or anything else. So to me, I have just made, I've just made a decision to not trade crypto for myself and also to protect the viewers here. Because if I start talking about something that I don't have profitability on, by the way, start hyping crypto, Bitcoin, whatever other coins, and then half of us doesn't understand half of the things. It's not in my expertise. It's not in my knowledge. So I will just be half doing it. So I don't want to do that, bro. I'm a young boy in that video. Nini. Where? Who's telling me I'm a young boy? And the worst sound that I hate is I don't know why people did that, but anyways. So where are we in the live stream? Oil. I was hoping for a pullback in New York, so right now we are 124. I don't know if we're going back to 121, 117, 1819. If it ever does that, it's kind of like, hey, woohoo, you know. So I don't know, something. So yeah, where's the target, mate? Target is hit a long time ago. Can this just continue higher? Yes, it can continue, and that's what you're hoping for. If it continues lower, more than below 116, that's kind of dead to it. Is it possible you can also add crypto analysis? Test? No. I can do Bitcoin, but that's all. Why can I do Bitcoin? Because I understand Bitcoin. Bitcoin is driven by markets, as they do fit into a monthly pivot points mostly, you know. It does respect monthly pivots more than anything else. That's the only reason. But other than that, no. We can go to gold as well. And it is definitely going higher. And I did not think that we're going to go up here, honestly. But, you know, it is what it is, I guess. I was hoping for yesterday I was hoping for 1950, got 1960. Okay. So that's that kind of a thing. We didn't get what we wanted. If you're still in a gold buy, like Shanat is, good on you. I envy you. You are a great trader. You said your entry wasn't good, but you know, you still got an entry. This sounds like a good target to take, if that is something that you're thinking of. But other than that, I think that 2035 is maybe another one. Just like that. Do you live in Nairobi now? No, but I'm here at least right now. Would you advise buying and holding crypto for with actual cash, because banks here are Would you hold that instead of cash? Probably not. And I will probably jump into commodities before I would hold crypto. Okay? So that is that. Because commodities have a much brighter future than crypto, in my mind. That's just how I analyze from my perspective. Okay. I saw nickel and holy, so yeah, gold so far. Sorry, I need to come on, people. We need to be more, more. We need to do gold properly. Gold, cool, go away. So we have support here, okay, but we were hoping for that support, okay. Now 123.30, 120.30 is probably a great level to start taking profit. Just saying, but. If it goes higher, whatever. Don't come to me and crying if it goes lower. If it goes past 30 and then back down again. So if you have a buy entry already, be break even and hope for the best. Hold on. A nickel spot earlier today. Wow. Is that the right nickel? Is it nickel? Is that nickel? Nickel? They're pricing it. It's not going to. Is it price per ounce? Because is that a real nickel? I can't believe it. 61,000? No. Is that a different spot price? Huh. One says 61,700. What other one says 61,050 to 60 in 1 day. In 1 hour, sorry. Why didn't we buy that? Guacamole. What on earth? Has it ever been that expensive? Nickel? What do we do in nickel? Nickel is like, I don't know. It's not that, well, do we use nickel for something? I was thinking I only think of jewelry when it comes to nickel, but dang it. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, your BF Lars was just me about what I don't know, we warned you, Yeah. I watched your PowerPoint video last night and today I thought he did a great trade in Euro USD reversal in 1 hour. What 1 hour at R1. Thank you very much, Jamie. And what long-term investments do you hold at the moment? I am trying to hold stock market, but it's going, down the drain. So trying to hold oil, but that's not long term, is it? It's just short term. This is not normal. This is not normal, bro. I don't understand why that spike happened. Well, they Google them, and I think it has something to do with Russia. Biggest nickel producers. Who is it? Russia. Nornickel is the world's largest nickel producer with a production volume of something metric ton. So what happened to those? Are they basically closed down? Maybe. Maybe sanctions. The Russian metal giant might be too big for sanctions. So they are key for electric batteries and semiconductors. Okay. Interesting, by the way. Interesting. Despite the rally, yeah. So I don't know, maybe because they are down or because of their production. It seems like a short squeeze more than anything else, but you know. It says U.S. sanctions is unlikely to affect nor nickel, but its nickel is going through the roof. So something happened because it's going from 25,000 per ounce or whatever it is to 60,000. That's like 172% in what, 2 days? That's a crash. That, people, is a crash. Now we can talk about crashing. This is crashing. Did the ban on oil on Russian oil, LBG, and coal import by Biden take effect already? No. The talks about banning Russian oil imports is only talks at the moment. It's only talks. Yeah. So that's going to make electric cars absolutely expensive to do. But also, the other one was the semiconductors. If the other one is semiconductors, then yeah, that is also a thing though, because that's really not. That's also really not being. That's also in short supply at the moment. Yeah, chip manufacturers are going to bleed. Should we buy that? Yeah, let's buy the top, right? Let's buy the top. Look at palladium and platinum should be the same as nickel. No, I don't think so. I looked at it yesterday. It was down like a half a century yesterday. Okay. That was a weekly, sorry. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about. So palladium has not the same thing. And then the other one is platinum. Yeah, better. So Denise CJ is mentioning a key moment here. Are we going into recession? Well, to say the least, I saw something today on my phone that electricity in Norway was 8 kroner per kilowatt hour. 8 kroner per kilowatt hour. Just to mention it, it is normally supposed to be 0.3 on average. So for those who do math, that is more than 20 times the price. And people have gone from paying 2,000 kroner, which is like $200 per month for a single family home, to paying 10,000 kroner in one single month. Is that going to have a direct hit on people's spending? Yeah. Is that going to make people spend less electricity? Yes. Is that going to ruin the economy when you also see like oil price was normally around 11 kroner per liter? Now it's 20, is it 25, I think? I've seen 25. So it's double in a very short time. Wages can't keep up with this, and if you don't have any other savings around you, you are in deep trouble right now. So, is that going to lead to recession? Is that going to lead to less spending? Are we going to have hyperinflation? Are we going to have stagflation? CPI goes higher, prices of things goes higher, but growth falls because people aren't spending anymore. Is an interesting thing that I'm saying I don't have enough expertise to say that could happen, but it's definitely a theory we need to have in our brains real quick. Yeah, so you read the article where Putin is threatening to close Nord Stream 1. So that is okay. That is still going to make some. That's still going to hurt. But I think Nord Stream 1 is around, I think it was a 1 million barrels per day. I think it's 1 million Nord Stream 1. But then on the other side, you have shipping. And I think shipping was 1.5 million barrels per day. MBD. So it's 1.5. So it takes away half of it if he does that. It's not in total a consumption. This is not gas, by the way. And gas. So, but it's definitely terrible for Europe. That's going to probably crash Europe as well. But yeah. I mean, do you know Dr. Sarkir Nike? No, I don't know who that is. No. Don't buy it. It's gone already. Don't chase it up. Yeah. Of course it's FOMO, bro. I'm not going to buy it, you know. Yeah. Would you mind doing a video, perhaps investing in stocks, commodities, does and don'ts? Can probably do one day. I think we're going. Yeah, U.S. will ban U.S. oil. Look who versus Venezuela and Iran. Pressure will come more on the West due to oil. EU already planning to sell some bond to cover their current rise right now. Yeah, I saw that. So you know it is that they're selling bonds, selling bonds to make sure that they have enough cash to. Sarah says, I was expecting platinum to go down and nat gas to go up, and now done the opposite. You know, welcome to the markets. More than anything else. Okay, so people didn't like that. Well, let's go through that then. So pound dollar, not really much. Euro New Zealand. Okay, so forex traders that has been buying these ones, I would say, of one very important thing, nothing to do. Nothing to do. Okay. Oil, 130? No, that's Jesus Christ. Japan has announced territorial claims against Russia. They're talking about Kuril Islands. You know, what can I do? I just want to be a trader. Probably just stop streaming and just trade. That's probably what I should do. I was like, yeah. And please share your thoughts on New Zealand switching. What about it, bro? What about it? Can oil and China help Russia survive Western sanctions? Yeah. How will Russia transport oil to China? They have to go through the whole entire world. Unless in the summer, maybe there's some ice breaks. Let's go to the maps. Let's see. So if you go Russia, and then you have to, like, I don't know where the oil production is, but let's say the oil production is is up here. How do you get to China? This is China. You have to have a pretty long pipeline for that. Also have to go through Mongolia, by the way. So any transportation of oil will either do sea, which they have to go into the Nordic, and I don't think that, you know, I think there's plenty of ice here, at least in the winter, so they can't go through here. And the other one is through boat. It's a long road to go boat phase. So right now they don't have a pipeline, and they're wanting to build it. Russia, China, oil. So it's it has to be shipped quite far. But nothing else in that. So it's not easy to do that. So they're going to do a new pipeline. Yeah, that's what they have to do. that the new pipeline will take time, it will cost money, but it's definitely something that will strengthen China and Russia. But it will take time. I don't know when it's going to be done, though. Oh, there is already exportation of some gas to China in 2021 from Siberia. But the power of Siberia network is not connected to the pipeline that sends gas to Europe, which face surging prices. And then there is something, but it's not. In my world, it's not done in a flip of a coin. So can China survive? And Russia survive? Yes, it is possible. New Zealand Swiss, just to make that thought done. Depends on what you want to see, kind of thing, bro. But target for the month. Target for the week. So no more buys. It's bullish. So right now you can maybe look for a lower low, but it probably can go higher. But that is abnormal, and it's not something you should be trading. Your thoughts on Euro Yen? If you haven't drawn already, I can do that, Manny. Cliff says, should oil crisis force Western countries to invest more in solar panel electric power? Definitely, that will mean Germany need to invest well, they are also going to do that, and that's why also renewable energy companies has gone up in stock price because now Germany sees that they have to start doing wind power, hydropower, whatever other powers they have, solar power. So I think wind power and hydropower and solar power, I don't know how much solar they can do. It's still Europe and still dark in the winter, so, but something like that, yeah. To that effect, probably wind. Mostly. Would you please explain when is the best worst time to trade relation to central pivot? Worst is probably trade New York close. Probably worst time to trade. Best is to trade in Asia, Europe open. Will it reverse? Well, I don't know if it's going to reverse, but if it does reverse, then you have if-then statement. If it reverse, then. Possible entry for long options. I don't have that. It's gone. It's done. You are way too late, bro. You should have done that a weeks ago. Kind of a thing. Right now, it's taking profit for the week, taking profit for the month. There's no more buys for you then. Then it's FOMO any time of the day. Yeah, it's definitely FOMO buying now on oil. Absolutely. This is FOMO buying by all means. Iran did it for 40 years plus their Russian problem, not oil. They will get hurt, but a real pain for them is bank financial sector will cause pain. Ibis says more than a quarter of wheat exports come from Russia and Ukraine, and grain prices have skyrocketed. Absolutely, Ibis. So, what is Russia? Is the fourth largest wheat producer in the world. A lot of sunflowers, a lot of also phosphate. Nitrogen. Going into fertilizers is also coming out of Russia. Was coming out of Russia. So there's a lot of commodities that is now rising, also because of this, but also because of the actual being hit by this. Between your close and Asia open, I will not trade is the worst. How do you see platinum and Natgas? I was thinking of Natgas going higher, but it's falling, so I can't. Currently, technically, it's a difficult place. It's in the middle of a range. Went back to the range because it's peaked, so I just have to wait for it to go for it to see it go back up again. Platinum-ish. Platinum, my friend. See if we can add that to my watch list, so I don't need to type it in every time. platinum I see going higher, and say platinum seasonality. Platinum seasonality. I think we're gonna. Is it peaking in May? If I'm right. Yeah, we peak in May, so we still have some move to go on platinum seasonality wise. So still see higher. Yeah. Good morning, JT. Wow, bro, I missed you. Where have you been? Have you gone out of forest now? Sarah says that Russia is third. I didn't know that, but yeah, top 3, top 4, top 5. Can you please look at silver? Thanks. I have seen that sign that you've asked that before. I do apologize that my brain and my thoughts and my ears and my eyes doesn't work so fast. I do apologize for that. So, what is it? Buy? Now it's gone higher. Probably there's gonna be a buy there tomorrow. Just thinking of it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Your buy price for tomorrow. So higher, as long as we still move higher. Any thoughts on about this ECB monetary policy statement? Will there be more aggressive do? I think the euro should probably rise because of ECB on Thursday. Sorry, Wednesday. Tomorrow. Good morning, yeah. Been sick of COVID. Oh, man. I'm so sorry, man. Please get well fast, bro. Denise says she had to clock into work. I'm sorry. Well, thank you for being here. More than anything else, Denise. Hi, Xavier. I gotta stop liking Nardar knobs, apparently. Yeah, that's probably a good deal, bro. That's a good deal. And for silver and targets, you probably need to look into like 126.50. All right. So stock market and S&P. Well, we're lower. We are not higher. So our IP stock investment portfolio at the moment, but still not too bad. I've seen I don't know who it was, but let's say some banks say that we have a 17 to 15% further drop coming in. I also seen that DAX, the German stock market, is now in a bear market. And okay, I guess, but and also Mr. S&P is also going into some kind of bear market now. But holy guacamole, we've had this nice uptrend and now we have a pullback. Well, it's just a pullback, bro. But I'm just gonna say to anyone that is thinking, well, between 5th to 10th of March is going to be the low of March, or maybe also April and May, you know? So I am hoping for a new higher high, and then I'm going to buy it again. So, hello, Franco. Hoping to buy S&P in the near future. That also goes for this other friend called Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also on the way lower. Not that I care, more that it bothers me any split second. It's a good pullback. It's a good in discount. That's what it is. So I'm just hoping and praying to the forex to the trading gods that we will go back up in the future. It's rigged to go up. It is all those other words that you use for the manipulation, the upside, whatever you call it. But so right now, today, it's just in between, but it can change any day, any moment. Does it have further ways to go down? It does have further ways to go down because it is currently technically now bearish. And I am a patient as a lamb. And I will come back to this one as the forgotten son, where if it turns again, I will be just as happy to see him as I was seeing him back to 2021. Type of scenario. So Hoping to buy NAS in the near future. Good. Okay. Hoping is the word. Hoping. DXY is the American equivalent of going to the moon at the moment. I have seen markets saying, well, this is going to 100 and above. And I'm like, cool, show me the money. Hasn't really done pullbacks today, other than it's gone higher, range. So no higher highs, no pullbacks. So I guess we just wait then. So at the moment, I am at the standstill, standing still on DXY. You know, just waiting. I am fantastic, Sola. Hope that you're doing well. The other thing that, you know, I'm just wondering, well, I guess nobody cares because, you know, nobody cares anyways, but would you, I've asked Harold this sometimes in some Zoom meetings at night when we both are too tired to even think. Do you think that you would watch, only the other question, you shouldn't make a new channel kind of thing, would you watch on this channel heartfelt content, as in donating to other streamers? Or I guess that's the only way I can do it, because I can't donate to you guys because that is, you know, you have my viewers. I can, I guess, but I don't think I can film it because you guys are not streaming and I can't give you a reaction. Donating to other streamers, other people, is that something, content you're interested in thinking and like to watch? Or is it like, nah, Evan, you know, I don't like you giving away money to people. I wanted to give it myself, but you know, that's the question. DXY pullback will be good for traders. Yeah, I know. I agree with you. Yeah. I married DXY to go to the Earth core and to go to the moon. Cliff, can we have more likes, Driving? Only 3. You know, I am fighting for those likes every day, Cliff. Thank you very much for reminding this fantastic community. I bet a lot of traders' liquidity has been lost in a few weeks. Hence, the indices is dropping so hard. Market looking for new dollars, but people are scared now. Yeah, I also believe that way, bro. That liquidity has gone. Mostly because it's a war, but also because they see losses in their account maybe for the first time, and you're like, I didn't know I was going to lose $20,000, you know, and they maybe don't know how to go about that. I'd watch that especially because it's not time sensitive, you know, like can't watch the live stream from last week because it's not really relevant. Yeah, okay. Just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. Oops, I did it. Is there any other setups right now? Yeah, everything is just in between. Maybe oil was a good buy after all. FOMO it. Yeah, it's FOMO'd. Holy guacamole. That's the most FOMO thing that I have. US CPI and unemployment claims this Thursday. What's your opinion around it? Bullish or bearish? Probably bullish. More than anything else. And it's mostly going to be because of oil prices. Oil prices and gas prices are probably the reason why CPI is going to go higher, and most of it. So yeah, that is currently moving a lot of the market. Gold on a 15-minute time frame. I don't know what that's going to help me with, but also that's a support if you want to do support and resistance. And then break of high, and then that kind of thing, maybe. You're very, very, very much welcome, maybe. $50 minutes on oil. US Swiss is still going higher. Yeah. Also, we can say that this looks like a good support, doesn't it? No, it's finally broken it, but Looks to be a fool. FOMO! That's what it is. Screams in your ears, even. New Zealand dollar has been good to me long in London, but quick in and out, can't position trade so much strong. Well, as it does go higher. It has gone higher, bro. It has reached target also, bro. So it has been good, but I don't know if it's going to be good in the long term. Why is gas falling? Right, good question, and I think I have one answer to you. People hit targets. People hit targets, and people are like, well, you know, that was enough for me. So they took profit and went. I also think that they're waiting for maybe Russia to cancel or Europe cancel gas and then really take it back up again. So in my view, they are reducing their position so they can take it back up again whenever there is news to do that. And as well, I would say, you know, be careful. Not be careful with Natgas, but Natgas does this thing when there's nothing else moving the market. You know, there's no... Well, there is news, and then when the news goes away, it's kind of like, well, it goes away. Just gonna like my own video. There we go. Congratulations. So now there's 43 likes. Good. Other than that, I'm just waiting for it to go higher. Other than I can see it falling. So it's like a crocodile, and in the water we're just waiting to attack every second. If I just bought oil today, at 120, I would be in profit by now. But I need to see counseling about US oil, so I don't FOMO it again. That's all. US yen. Definitely take profit level, bro. Definitely take profit level on USD yen. Whoo! Girl, that is take profit level. Wow. Wow. As well as USD Swissy. Take profit level. Wow, that is some serious business. US 30. Waiting, bro. Waiting, bro. I'm waiting on it, bro. Hoping for copper to fall back into range between 95,000 to 10,000, Commerzbank says. So what's copper doing right now? Copper is currently at what? How is that possible? Copper is at 4.6. How is it going to go back to 4,000, 9,000, whatever? I don't understand anything. Maybe it's a different copper that I don't know about that they are using. Copper futures. Still 4.6. And they're talking about the copper being $9,000 per ton. So, divided by 1,000. I don't know. What's the division supposed to be? It is the range maybe down here. Maybe that's the range you're talking about? I don't know. It looks stupid. Medium to long term demand looks positive. Okay. Fair enough. That's Commerzbank being negative. If S&P breaks 42, I can trigger down to 38. Fair enough. Not that I care or anything. Job creation remains healthy. I agree. And CT says that gold is going to drift lower to 1750 medium term. Fair enough. When this war is over, I guess. Euro dollar to 107 in 20. And 22 lower to 106.35, next potential support level. Can't disagree with that. Brent oil head higher to 154, of clearance of 139. UK oil. Okay, fair enough. Oh, chat. Oh, sorry. New Zealand dollar has been good to me. Yeah. Why is natural gas falling? I bought support this morning. Aussie yen. Well, hello, Charles. Hi, Evan. Ivan, you're live really supporting us growing and trading. Thanks, man. You are so very much welcome. I hope you have subscribed, by the way. I hope you have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that it made you happy at least. I made you laugh. If you don't subscribe, not that I care, but so you can go back again, so I can teach you something else in the next time. Should we buy S&P 500? Absolutely. Not going to give you any trading advice, but I'm far away from buying S&P. It's at the low at the moment. It's bearish. It's nowhere near anything. So yeah, we're all waiting in the boat, waiting for it to return. So we're waiting for big smart money to start buying back up again. More than else. Okay. No, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting USD No, US 30. No. Subscribe already many days back, even following regularly. Yeah, cool. Well, I don't know if you start until you start talking that you actually are there, right? So, but I love you guys coming back, or coming back again and again and again. For me, the following, what does that mean to me? That means to me that I make content that people want to stay for and come back to. And I know I follow people that don't. I follow people without subscribing to them, but I guess it's not in my core. I just want to pop by and see how it goes sometimes. But yeah. So for USD Aussie yen, it seems like it come back to some kind of resistance to sell. I was hoping for... Was it hoping for that one tomorrow? Around this level here, yeah. So... Shit. Oh. It's 2-7. Well, where is it? Okay. It's within the range of selling tomorrow, actually, now. So, that probably looked like a sell to me, though. Stop loss above there. More than anything else. Euro Swiss, so that's a sell on Aussie yen. Well, it's just as Aussie still getting weaker than more than anything else, but can also kick you back. Euro Swiss is probably one of the worst pairs to trade, but it's been trending good lately. But right now it's pulling back. Oh, what was that about? Did somebody subscribe? Kwame! Yay! Thank you very much. Namaste, sir. That is what you get from me. You're Swissy because I listen to nothing in my ears, and all of a sudden there's a sound. I get scared, I'm just gonna add some music so I don't get scared anymore. Yeah, better. So we all get out and get scared. Whoop whoop. Raphael, you got a 50th like today as well. Okay. So what is it today? Is it Euro Polish today again, or what's the reward? Or is it a massage from me when I get to pull? See what you can do. Somebody else subscribed? Who was it? Nobody subscribed. No, nobody. Did you unsubscribe and subscribe again? Anyways, nobody. Namaste, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. No, the whole market has discontinued the USD ruble, bro. Good evening, Tom. Good evening. Hope you're having a great day. Aussie cat, is it good for shorts? Probably not, if I think about it. But no, maybe. I would say rather this level here to short it, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. Do you guys hear the music, or is it too loud, or is it too low? No, does it interfere with how I talk? That's why. So yeah. Yeah, so I wouldn't sell Aussie Cat right now. It's not for me. You can do it if you want to, but it's not for me. I wouldn't trade it. Because it's at a low, it's not at resistance, and, you know, all those things. You would like to see Euro Yen reverse first, but soon, yes, soon. Oh, Nebody, thank you for subscribing, Nebody. I love that. Squeezing juice out of over my trades all night, finally giving up the love New Zealand dollar, but it's pulling back. Also, you got a good run, bro. You got a good run, Franco, and it is what it is. You can't do more than the market's giving, and you've really been doing well about it. So, yeah, really good. So it's low, okay. USD Yen. Who asked for USD Yen? That was Countdown Top 10. Okay. Hey, hello, how are you? I would say that USD Yen arguably is in a range at the moment. And in that range, you buy bottoms and you sell top. And you take profit at tops and sell tops. So right now it's at the top. So right now it is in no man's land. It may be ready for short soon. So that's up to you of how you would enter that market. I'm not going to trade that because that's not my part of my plans. But if you're thinking of, well, that looks like a great level to look to sell, that is totally up to you, okay? Totally up to you. So yeah, that's kind of what is USD is about at the moment. Is Australian dollar in a buy zone? Yes, it is. On the weekly, I think it is. Yeah. So definitely, if you are a buyer in Aussie dollar, bless you, you're thinking double bottom, higher high, higher low, boom. That's what you're thinking at right now. So John, correctly. Miguel, if you want to share ideas. So for anyone who wants to share the chart for that matter, sure, have fun. I am open, but nobody does it, and maybe I haven't mentioned it too many times. So today I'm going to mention everything, right? I have a mentorship at Eivindfx.com if you want to go to there. You know, Eivindfx.com, there it is. And there's also daily setups if you want to. So if you mention that, and then you can go to shop Eivindfx if you want to go to, you know, t-shirts to support me a bit and also be a part of the clan. And then we have Discord. You know, that's a good clan as well. Here we are. Fantastic people as well. I answer any questions that you have, and we are, you know, fun people too. And then, what else do we have then to mention? That I love you guys. We'll see you soon. I'll jump over to Twitter next live now. I think it's going to be live now. I've been here for quite too many times. But I can probably just continue, but who cares anymore? So, please bring people that would subscribe to this channel so we can bless them with some love, some cheer, some laughter, and a better day. Okay? Have a good day. Boom.